Hi again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add links to your web page using the Content Management System's RTE or Rich Text Editor. Now here, once again, I'm using the About Us page as an example, and I've pasted plain text in using the Paste as Plain Text tool. Now, there are no links here. Now, let's say, for example, I want to link the word or the acronym UNFPA abbreviation to the UNFPA website. Simply select UNFPA, go to the Insert/Edit link icon, click that, and you're immediately prompted for the URL. By default, the link type says URL, protocol HTTP. Leave these as is. I'm going to enter www.unfpa.org, then click OK. Once I've done that, I'm going to click Save Changes. You see that the changes have been saved. I'll go back to the About Us page, which I've already loaded here. I'm going to refresh it since I've made some changes. And you'll see now that the UNFPA is highlighted here on the page. However, look what happens if I click it. You'll notice that yes, the UNFPA website loads. However, it has loaded in what was the same window as the CaribbeanCensus.net website, which is not an ideal scenario. It can be used, but in most cases, site administrators want to have external links opening in new windows. So to do that, I'm going to click back. Takes me back to the About Us page. I'm going to click to the tab that says the tab that I have opened for the Content Management System. I'm going to select UNFPA again. Go back to the Edit Link icon. This time I'm going to select Target. On the left side, I have Target Not Set as a default. I'm going to select that drop-down list and go down to New Window. Then I'll click OK. Then save again. Once the change is made, go back to the site, refresh the page, reloads, then click UNFPA once again. And you'll notice this time that the UNFPA website has opened in a new browser window, which is perfect. Okay, so I'm going to close that. I'm going to go back to the CMS. I'm going to do the same thing for CARICOM. I'm going to select CARICOM, just the word CARICOM, link, type in www.caricom.org, select target, new window, click OK, save. Go back to the site, refresh the page, look what happens here. CARICOM is now selected. I click CARICOM and the CARICOM site loads in a new window. Perfect. Now, let's say CARICOM site is taking a while to load here, but it loads anyway. Now, let's say, for instance, you wanted to have the link in the text go to an email address rather than a website. For example, I'm going to type in at the bottom of this text, for assistance, please email the site administrator. Okay, I'm going to select the text that says email the site administrator, go back to the same link icon. In this case, instead of selecting the link type as URL, which is the default, I'm going to select from the link type menu or drop down email. Here I'm going to put my email address. As well as a message subject, in this case feedback from website. and click OK. Once I've done this, I'll save the page, go back to the site, refresh, and you'll see the additional line pop up here when the page loads. There we go. Once I click this text, you'll notice that I now have an email that pops up from Outlook that's already addressed to me. It has in the subject line feedback from website, and you had also the option to put some sort of text automatically in the email that's sent by the user. So that's how you add links. That's about it. See you again soon.